is only rain. I wanna crash and numb this pain. Nothing will last inside this lane. Oh, take me far away past these mediocre days. I need to stop this burn. Say, can you help me unlearn this road?
Okay, so this is where I stand right now. I was kind of planning on keeping the subfloor, but I can see like wet stains, which I'm assuming is mouse piss, rat piss, whatever it is. And I don't want to just cover it up. So I'm going to take up the subfloor. I know it's the right thing to do. Let's do it. So for now, I'm just going to start taking stuff apart and do as I usually do and just fly by the seat of my pants, I guess. So today I'm going to take out the floor. That's my goal for today, is the floor. My second goal is to put a fan right here. I have to do that before I do anything, which is also going to require me to replace this wood. Not really sure how to address it. I'm just going to do my best. I will probably end up cutting this bottom layer of fiberglass off and framing it out, I want to say. I mean, is it necessary to have that? Is it just for strength because it was an air conditioner? I don't know. I could think about this all day. I'm going to start tearing stuff apart. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, I need a small pry bar. I know I saw a pry bar. So I worked in the trailer yesterday as much as I could. I had my grandson afterwards, and then I came back out and removed all the flooring in the dark. The quality was really bad. I was saying a lot of bad words, I'm just saying. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going to start off by removing all of the ones that are already cut and the ones I know we don't need. So I'm making pretty good progress. I'm being watched. That's awkward. That's awkward. They can probably hear me still, but at least they can't see me. So I'm gonna finish doing the wires. And I probably won't show you no more of it because it's not interesting. And I'm trying to pick and choose what I record because I record way too much footage that I don't use. I need to be more thoughtful about the footage that I actually record. So that's what I'm doing. So the sun is starting to go down. And I have almost all the wires out. When I say all the wires, I mean like all the wires. I think I fucked up. Somehow I ended up cutting the wires to the tail lights, and yeah, that's what's happened. So this is another one of my harebrained ideas is I'm gonna use this and see right here where there's a slip. Ouch. That lip there. I'm going to cut it off. It'll be fine. It'll be fine.
fiberglass sucks. I'm just gonna say fiberglass sucks. So today, even though it's warm outside, I have a hood because I had fiberglass in my shirt, my arms, and my bra. I had fiberglass everywhere. It was a pretty miserable night last night. So today I'm gonna try to prevent that. Have to give myself small goals or I get overwhelmed. So I am gonna do this today. I'm going to finish taking all this particle board, frame this out, and install a fan. It's not a Max Air fan. It's just a cheap Amazon fan, but I'm not wanting to spend a ton of money. So that's what I'm using. Goal number 1, focus. It's time to get on top of this little camper van and take out this little vent thing, whatever it is. I don't know what it is, but I know I'm not gonna need it. And it's in my way. I'm gonna regret a lot of stuff. I'm just gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna regret a ton. Okay, we're gonna take off this vent. Oh no. Don't judge me. No, I can't do it. I can't do it. I hate wearing masks. Okay, so first things first is I need to go cut one of these. Good enough. So this one here is the original little rib I cut out of the framing. Oh crap! Babe, I might need your help! So I got the fan attached from the top. I know I'm probably doing this kind of half backwards, but I put liquid nails in here on both sides. Then I went to the top and I screwed the top in on these boards. Now I just need to add these pieces. And I know I'm probably doing it not right, but it's the only way I can wrap my mind around it. I don't know about this camera angle, but you are literally clamped to a window frame. So I've been very clear, I don't know what I'm doing. But to me it makes sense to patch this hole. I am going to adhesive and put these blocks of wood up here. Then I'm gonna get a piece of galvanized tin, put it on top, and screw into these pieces of wood and seal it. That's my best, that's my best idea. It's probably the wrong idea, but it's the best idea I have. And that's what I'm gonna do. So now it's just a matter if this is gonna stay up there while I screw the top in. I need to drill some holes in around this, and I need to plug in my phone. So I'm gonna work on the camper while I charge my phone, and I'll show you how I install a different one of these, just not this one. You get the idea, right? I need 2 hands. I don't eat potato chips very often, but I'm giving a shout out right now because they're so spicy and good. I'm gonna have heartburn.